Do you want to add a prompt to your Instagram notes? You can make an Insta note with a prompt that just takes a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to write a prompt on Instagram notes. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To write a prompt on Instagram notes, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the Instagram newsfeed, look for the message icon at the top right corner and tap on it. Now, you're in the direct messages section. Here, you will see all the chats and notes shared by your friends. At the very top of the direct messages screen, you'll see the notes and prompts shared by your friends. To write a prompt on your Instagram notes, look for the circle with your profile picture and tap on Leave a Note. A new screen will appear. Tap on the prompt icon at the bottom of your profile picture. Now, type your question or prompt in the Write a Prompt box. You can also add an emoji here. Once you've written your prompt for the note, tap on the Add a Response box and enter your message or answer here. When you're ready with your prompt and response, tap the Share button. Your prompt note will now appear at the top of the direct messages section and your friends and followers can respond to your prompt.